On a recent cruise in the Western Caribbean, one of our ports of call was Port Limon in Costa Rica. For our excursion there, we went to a sloth sanctuary, a location where they rehabilitated sloths who were injured or abandoned. Enjoy these video clips.
These two guys are orphans. They are orphans because their mother mistook a power line for a branch. Both of these boys have a back leg that is paralyzed, one hand that does not grip properly. Chewbacca is missing one of his fingers because it was blown off. But Bruno, he's paralyzed, not because he fell, no. Because somebody took it upon themselves to murder his mother. They wanted to take... We'll get to see the other species of sloth. Because believe it or not, here in Costa Rica we have two distinct species. The ones that we're meeting right now are the coloepus, not the howler monkeys. Abandoned that there was something not quite right. So it took us until the next morning to find out what it was. We've seen that in a few of our other sloths that are blind, but I'm surprised he is not moving right now. He tends to pace back and forth. And again, abandonment normally only happens when they're tiny babies because something was genetically wrong with him. But as it turns out, in the wild, his mother was not finding the right type of trees. Now understand that I believe these animals eat certain medicinal tree leaves. The medicinal probably takes the place of what we would call the probiotic, okay? Because that's something we give these animals when their gut bacteria is inactive, okay? We believe that his mother was not getting that type of tree leaf, and he was literally starving to death, folks, on a full stomach of undigested leaves. Coconuts, I guess, right? Birds.
We heard there was alligators ahead.
A hippopotamus.
Look at the flower of the bananas hanging way
Whoa.
down.
Very much.